If you are watching this video, then the universe chose you to do so. All your confusions will be clarified. Keep watching. You have an incredible superpower lying dormant within you, the power to use your mind to shape and change your life circumstances in any way you desire. This isn't just hopeful thinking or metaphysical theory. It's a fundamental fact about how the universe operates. By learning to intentionally control and focus your thoughts and beliefs in a very specific way, you can literally manifest and create anything and everything you want into your physical reality. At the most basic level, you as a human being and everything in this vast universe is made of continuously vibrating energy fields and frequencies. Every single thought, belief, or intention you have sends out a massively powerful energetic vibration from your mind into the greater universe and unified field around you. And the universe itself, which is ultimately one grand energetic consciousness, precisely reads and reacts to those vibrations you put out by creating physical circumstances, relationships, opportunities, and experiences that are an energetic vibrational match to the frequencies you emit. This is the fundamental law of attraction at work in everyone's lives, whether they're consciously aware of it or not. You naturally and unavoidably attract, manifest, and create the experiences in your outer reality that are an energetic resonance and harmonic of the dominant vibrations, thoughts, beliefs, and focused intentions you habitually give out from your mind and energy field. If you tend to predominantly vibrate at a high frequency through positive, optimistic, grateful thoughts and beliefs of already having, being, or experiencing what you most want in life, then you energetically magnetize and draw those very tangible circumstances and manifestations into your physical reality through the magnetic force of vibrational resonance and alignment. However, if you constantly dwell in vibrations of negativity, lack, struggle, anxiety, doubt, or feelings of wanting something you don't have yet, then you simply perpetuate more of those unfulfilling experiences and realities over and over again through that same universal principle. You remain trapped in a cycle of energetically creating the very things you don't want, because like energy inevitably attracts like energy. The truth is that nothing actually manifests or unmanifests in your physical life circumstances because of what you want or don't want. Nothing is responding to those surface-level desires from your conscious mind. Instead, things take form based directly on the precise vibrations and focused mental energy you subconsciously emit and put out into the universe itself through your habitual thoughts, beliefs, visualizations, and intentions. The present conditions, experiences, and realities of your life as you know them are simply a direct printout and reflection of your past thoughts, beliefs, predominant mental vibrations, and consciousness. By becoming aware of this profound universal principle and truth, you wake up to the realization that you have full control to intentionally create any reality you want simply by disciplining your mind. So the key to changing, shifting, and transforming your life circumstances into your ideal dreams and desires is to make the powerful internal shift of permanently changing the vibrations you put out by intentionally controlling the thoughts, beliefs, and mental energy you repeatedly give your focus and energy to on a daily basis. When you master this foundational skill of vibration management and energetic control through conscious use of your mind, you unlock your ability to construct and manifest absolutely any reality you can conceive of and hold energetically within you. Let's go over a simple step-by-step process so you can start applying this instantly in the easiest way possible. Step 1. Get very clear on exactly what you want to create, manifest, or have show up in your life. Don't be vague by just saying, "I want success," or "I want to be happy." Get extremely specific about what your dream vision of success tangibly looks like. Define and get precise clarity around what your dream relationship, career, body, lifestyle, etc. would consist of. What would that feel like? What would it look like in vivid detail? The clearer you can get on defining your intended desires, the better you can vibrate that reality into physical existence. Step 2. Now that you've defined your desired reality, spend time every single day visualizing that reality in great detail, while vividly feeling all the positive emotional states of already having achieved and attained it, as if it's your current experience happening right here and now. Don't just think about it. Use all 5 of your senses to truly create the experience of already living in that dream reality. What would you vividly see, hear, feel, smell, and even taste if you were already inhabiting that experience? Bathe yourself in those vibrations and sensations as much as possible every day, believing it as your present truth. Step 3. Inevitably, negative thoughts, fearful beliefs, and doubtful mental patterns that contradict your desires will continue to surface from your subconscious conditioning. Whenever you catch yourself dwelling unconsciously in those low vibrational thoughts and emotions, pause, refocus, and consciously pivot away from giving any further energy or attention to those vibrations by intentionally visualizing and feeling into your intended reality once again. Starve those negative, opposing vibrations of your energy and refuse to dwell in them. Only feed the positive, desired vibrations of what you want with your focus and emotional energy. Step 4. Take inspired action towards manifesting your desires based on the exciting impulses, ideas, and motivations that arise within you when you elevate your vibration and dwell in the intended reality you want. Don't force anything, but pay attention to any new thoughts, urges, or creative inspirations that arise from your visualization practice as clues for next steps to take. Take those practical actions and steps from a place of vibrating as your ideal self, not from a vibration of lack, struggle, or need. Stay in energetic alignment with your desires as you take action. Step 5. Be patient and trust the universal process and laws that are always operating perfectly, whether you can see results yet or not in the physical realm. The more you can vibrate, embody, and act as if your desires have already manifested through your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors each day, the faster they have to manifest into your tangible outer reality to catch up with your vibration. Have faith, look for signs along the way, and don't get discouraged. It's all happening energetically behind the scenes first, before the physical manifestations occur. Step 6. As you start seeing tangible shifts in your reality, reflecting your intended vibrations, deeply celebrate those wins and double down even more on the vibrations that created those initial changes. Anchor yourself more fully each day in the thoughts, visualizations, emotions, and energy patterns that are producing your intended reality. If you slip back into old vibrations, simply refocus. Needless extra effort isn't required. It's just about dwelling vibrationally, energetically, and consciously in what you want to create and experience more of. That's really all there is to using your mind to shape and manifest the life you want through universal laws. You don't necessarily need to understand the quantum science or all the metaphysics behind how it works. Just follow the simple process of defining what you want with clarity, visualizing and feeling it as real, pivoting away from opposing vibrations, taking inspired action, trusting the process, and amplifying what works. Your outer physical reality is infinitely malleable and has to shift, change, and shapeshift to realign itself with your inner vibrations, whether you fully believe that currently or not. The fastest way to transform your circumstances is to change your internal vibration first, by disciplining your mind towards what you want to create externally. By giving more focused energy, attention, belief, and vibrational resonance daily to the reality you actually want to finally experience, you command the universe to migrate your 3D life accordingly to harmonize with those visualized vibrations, thoughts, and feelings you emit. Stay diligently focused on emanating that intended vibration through your mind and energy, and let go of how or when it must fully assemble. Your desired external life and reality will have no choice but to form, materialize, and basically catch up to harmonize with those powerful internal vibrations you've mastered. You are an infinite being with incredible creative power, and you can absolutely manifest any reality with this process of mental mastery over your vibrations if you stay consistent. Use your mind to design your dream life experience. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.